Sometimes on your Apple iPhone, you may have saved so many photos, and sometimes you may save the same photo multiple times. If there are multiple photos in your Photos application, you can merge them. But the thing is, if you're manually checking, it's difficult to find repeating photos. On your Apple iPhone, there's a setting, and if you go to that setting, you can see repeated photos there. So from there, you can easily merge them. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. For this, open Settings. When you're opening Settings, here you can see the General option. Click on General, and in General you can see iPhone Storage. Click on iPhone Storage, and when you click on that, here you can see the Photos application. Click on Photos, and when you click on that, here you can see Review your photos and videos. Click on this, and when you click on that, here you can see Duplicates. Click on Duplicates. When you click on that, here you can see every repeating photo. From here, if you want to merge any photos, you can do that. If you're merging, only one photo will remain and you can save some space. Anyway, I want to merge these photos. For that, here you can see the Merge option. Click on Merge. When you click on that, here you can see Merge two exact copies. When you click on that, those photos will be merged. So this way you can easily find and merge duplicate photos on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.